So you like meatballs?
Dinner and eggs.
No, just meatball with sauce.
With sauce on it, it's gonna be spicy. Your face is spicy.
Huh?
Your face is spicy.
My face is spicy?
Yeah. Keto meatballs.
You want keto meatballs too?
Yeah.
Make some keto meatballs, okay?
Thank you, Dad. I'm so excited for that.
So before you start, you definitely want to preheat your oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I found this low-carb, low-calorie tomato sauce at Earth Fare. So let's get started. At this point, you can add your seasonings as much as you like to your desired taste, and you can actually mix and match different seasonings depending on what flavors you like in your meatballs. So I'm taking them out now and turning the oven back up to 425 to prepare for when we put them back in the oven. You can substitute this with olive oil if you like. So here I'm deglazing the pan with the chicken broth. So I'm adding the garlic and I'm going to saute that and reduce this mixture with the garlic and the chicken broth down by half. So unfortunately, I missed a clip of me pouring the pasta sauce into the pan. However, I used a bottle and a half of the pasta sauce and I just poured it right in on top of the chicken broth. And then as you can see in the directions, I added 2 packets of the stevia sweetener. We're baking them for a second time. So we're just going to pop it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you can add as much basil on top as you like. For presentation purposes, I probably added a little bit more than usual. But yeah, you can add as much as you desire. And there you have it, your keto-friendly meatballs. Comment down below and let us know if you decided to make them and tell us how it went. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.